Although the important position of coal has been gradually replaced by oil, but due to the depletion of oil resources, it is bound to decline. And because of the huge reserves of coal, coupled with the rapid development of science and technology, coal vaporization and other new technologies are maturing and widely used. Coal will become one of the irreplaceable energy sources in human production and life. It is mostly in the form of powder, and can be pressed into pellets or pellets by coal ball pressing machines. In the use of coal ball pressing machine in its lubrication problems, need to pay attention to 3 points. 1. The gear oil in the open gear box of the coal ball pressing machine should be immersed in the gear more than 60 millimeters. 2. The roller bearing of the coal ball press is opened once every 3 months to replace the butter, or refuel with the butter gun. 3. Coal ball press reducer plus gear oil, add a measure to soak the gear 60 millimeters.